Here is a wonderful 2012 Toyota Tundra. With less than 90,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. This hard-working Tundra offers impressive towing and hauling capability, a smooth, comfortable ride, desirable standard safety and infotainment features, and competitive fuel efficiency. Prepare to fall in love. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, power passenger seat, four-wheel drive, satellite radio, backup camera, fog lamps, heated mirrors, premium sound system, power driver seat, heated front seat. Feel confident about the project in this capable Tundra. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.